Hello, in this video we're going to work quiz 3 for EE1305, Intro to EE at UTEP, and this is the equivalent resistance quiz for fall 2019. There are two problems here, so let's begin. The first one is, what is the equivalent resistance circuit below? And what we can see here is there's one current path here, so these are all in series, and we know in series that R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus ... all of our resistors. So here we get that R equivalent is going to be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. Right, so now we can substitute and write that R equivalent is equal to 150 ohms plus 800 ohms plus 150 ohms plus 14 ohms plus 800 ohms. Right, make sure you label your units as you keep going, and if we add that up carefully, we get R equivalent is equal to 1914 ohms. Right, so 1914 ohms. And significance of 1914, right? Go Miners, the year university was founded. So that's a series circuit. Now, if we look at the second problem, again, what is the equivalent resistance of this circuit? We see if we follow the wire, the current splits, it splits, it splits, and all of these are connected by the same wire. So these are all in parallel, right? And here, if we have a parallel, so in parallel, right, we get that 1 over R equivalent, and this is what people forget, is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4, right? So if we do that, we get that 1 over R equivalent. Don't forget this, right? And we have to make sure we reconcile that later. Is equal to 1 over 40 ohms plus 1 over 40 ohms plus 1 over 20 ohms plus 1 over 10 ohms, right? Now, if you want to keep doing this, we see that we can 40, so this can be multiplied by 2, this can be multiplied by 4 to make everything 40, so we can get our denominators all the same. So we get 1 over 40 ohms plus 1 over 40 ohms plus 2 over 40 ohms plus 4 over 40 ohms. Right, so we get that 1 over R equivalent then is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 divided by 40 ohms. Right, now it's 1 over, so that means that R equivalent is equal to 40 divided by 8 ohms, which is equal to 5 ohms. So that we get that R equivalent is equal to 5 ohms. Right. Right, and if we want to be consistent here, we can write R equivalent is equal to. Make sure we put our name on our quizzes. Make sure we put our group day name on there. This has been quiz 3 of the class, and I hope it's helpful. Thank you.